This video will show you how various restaurant staff can quickly see the status of each active table during service. Floor staff such as servers, cashiers, or managers open the table layout to start a new order or update an existing one. Systems with the table quick status active show additional status information on each table. Table 1 indicates that they're waiting. This means that no items have been placed on the order as yet. Tables showing faded courses indicate items are in some stage of preparation but are not delivered as yet. Solid courses indicate items have been fully delivered to the table. If we take a look at table 55, the status indicates that both appetizers and main courses have been fully delivered. However, the table is waiting on drinks and desserts. More details on each table status can be seen by opening the order in the register. Note that even though there is one delivered drink on this order, the drink status remains faded due to the undelivered drinks still to come. Back in the table layout, tables that had the bill printed show a receipt icon. Kitchen or bar staff can view the table layout directly from their KDS screens to not only see the progress of each table, but be aware of when a new table is seated even before they've placed their order. Reservationists at the front desk can also see table statuses from their DineMaestro day plan, though they only see one course status per table. If there are delivered items on the table, they will see the last fully delivered course. If there are no fully delivered courses on the table, they will see the faded status of the first pending course. The receipt icon also shows if a bill was printed. Reservationists can get more details on the status of the dinner by selecting the reservation and then clicking on the POS button.